Okay, I'm Nigel Dana Samson Sabijon.
I'm Hyeok Jung Kwon.
Okay, so for mathematics for decision making.
Yeah. So, for yeah, we learn game theory, right? So, what do you think about the meaning of the game in that game theory?
For me, it's not more on the playing type, like how kids do games and stuff, but it's more on what type of decision you'll pick, which is best for you.
Yeah.
So that's the kind of game. It's like you're playing. There's almost always two players,
Yeah.
and you think, what should I do? What's he gonna do? That's the game for me. Yeah. So how do you see the field of game theory
I think
as a tool for decision making?
so. Like when I make decision, like when I make decision, because there are some like risky decision, like
Yes.
low risk. I mean high risk,
High risk.
high return. And there's something low risk, low return decision. So like, yeah, I think it can somehow make us think about the safest way. So, like learning this theory, maybe I would choose low risk, low return.
So you want to play safe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like I think that's the maximum
Yeah.
solution.
For me, I'd rather do what's best for me.
Yeah.
Like regardless of what you think. Sorry. Like that's the Nash
Ah, yeah, that's
equilibrium.
the
Yeah,
Nash.
like despite what you do, if I can get off easier or get the higher payoff, then why not? I mean, it's in real life. That's how life is. People do what they have to do for themselves,
Yeah.
and they don't care about the other people because, I mean, yeah, you might lose some friends along the way, but it's life. So.
But you should be careful because
Yes, very careful. You have
In
to
one
pick your
moment.
decisions. I know. You have to be careful.
Alright.
Real
So
life.
real life, yeah, application. What do
You.
you? Me?
You first.
Okay.
You.
Um, this is kind of nerdy, but I actually see the game theory in like playing games, like the popular games such as like Dota and League of Legends, because like there are some character that are like strong early game, strong mid game, but
Yeah.
kind of falls off late game.
Yeah.
But there's some character who's like not that strong at early to mid game, but suddenly boost at late game. So I think if you're going for Nash equilibrium, I think you will pick the carry character who gets strong late game. But if you're going for like the
Nash.
Maximin,
Sorry.
yeah, I think you will get the
Strong.
strong character
Yeah.
who's early,
Yeah.
early strong. Yeah.
Yeah.
For me, I always choose the early game character.
Yeah. Okay. For me, as an athlete in my high school, there would be times softball. Sorry, there would be times where I would be batting and I don't know what the pitcher's thinking. I don't know if it's gonna be a strike or a ball or if it's gonna hit me. But even when my coach tells me to let it be a strike or don't swing, in my head I always want to swing because I always want to hit. I'd rather hit the ball really hard and make it go far rather than wait for myself to the play safe, like you just get 4 balls and then you're able to walk to first base. That's what my coach wants me to do because it's the safest way to get through to the next base. But
I
I'd
see.
rather hit it even though I might strike out rather than do nothing.
So like when you play,
Well, yeah, when
Maybe-
I play hard. That's
so
it.
you never bunt.
I do want, but then I have to see if the pitcher, it's like it's a game,
Okay,
right?
okay,
It's a
yeah.
game where I see if the pitcher is good. If I can't read her, then I'll do what's safest for me, which is to play hard, funny, right? Okay, so this topic was, I think, for both of us really easy
Because I don't know, it's like very relatable, not less mathematical compared
Yeah.
to other lessons.
Yeah.
I think. Yeah.
from the past lessons, all the other theories, problems, assignment, whatever. This is the one that contains the least
Yeah.
amount of solving or anything because it's just like you just have to look at the
Yeah.
problem
Comparing
and see.
the
Yeah, you have
value.
to see really what is the best answer. So
But for me, this lesson can't always be reliable in real life because other than the values that we get, there's some other values such as like emotion
yeah,
and luck.
there are other factors
Yeah.
too. Yeah.
So, yeah, I think for that, maybe we can further develop
Yes.
how we'll make decisions.
Okay. Okay, bye.